chose Tableau was because, first of all, it was easy to learn how to use Tableau. You didn't have to spend several weeks or days perfecting the art of using Tableau. At the same time, it is also important that people who are working with you can also understand how to use it. Just the ease through which you can use it, and at the same time, it's very intuitive. It knows what kind of visuals you might be wanting. It gives you recommendations. See, at the end of the day, you want a software that is able to think like you.
So one of the big things that we ended up going with Tableau was that they also offered a way for us to run and maintain reports locally, so that if anything happened, we didn't have to depend on a cloud resource for that. We still do have their cloud resource. So they provided a good hybrid solution for us.